Hey loves, how's everyone doing today? It's Deborah here, the insurance lady, with a public service announcement for you all. I had to pull over real quick and get this out because we are living in a time where everyone is thinking that they're okay with their employer only plan, or they think they're okay with, having the life insurance policy that grandma had on you. I'm here to tell you, no ma'am, no sir, you are not okay. Actually, you are out here running around here naked or unprotected adequately. And that's not good in these days and times because, with COVID, with the violence that's going on in in society today, you never know when your time is going to come. And you never know when you're going to be putting your family in a position to, choose to pay a mortgage bill or to get food to put on the table. You don't want to leave your family with that burden of, I need to pay these bills, but I also need to do this or I need to do that. You want to leave your family with a peace of mind, knowing that in your final days, even, after you have passed on, you're still thinking of them. You're still thinking about, their future. You're still wanting to be that nurturing caregiver that you were when they were living. Think about life insurance like this. You have your life insurance policy. It's tucked away in a box. You toss that envelope, that paper in a drawer, and you forget about it until, something comes up, or going through your yearly review, things like that, and you pull that policy out. But that policy lays tucked away in a box until it comes the time for it to come alive and to be used, while you trade places with that life insurance policy and you go in a box and are lying and you're put away. Think of a life insurance policy like that. It comes to life when you are no longer here to be that nurturer for your family, be that provider for your family. That life insurance policy steps in and be the hands for you when you cannot physically be those hands to care for your family. Also, if you have just your only plan that you have with your job, and this is open enrollment time, so this is the perfect time to get with a licensed professional advisor like myself, who you have that you can trust, you grew up with, you know that they are genuine and that they care about your well-being. Because if you have the plan with your employer, guess what? You only have a certificate of coverage. You only have a coverage that says, hey, you have life insurance, but it comes with stipulations. It comes with requirements. You have to remain a full-time employee. You have to remain, without sick leave. If you are sick and you have a life insurance policy, they cannot honor that death claim that comes into them if you have been sick and not, working your full hours. Let's say you're on FMLA. Many of us, know what that is. If you're sick and on FMLA, or if you have a short-term disability, guess what? You're not a full-time employee. Guess what else? You don't have life insurance coverage on your job. So it's important for you to make sure you have life insurance policy that you own and that you pay for out of your bank draft each month. Think about life insurance, as your income replacement. If you go out here and you get injured and then you pass away unexpectedly, or you get caught, someone arguing and get shot and you pass away without knowing. That's what life insurance does. It protects us for those what ifs, because I see too many times people putting up a GoFundMe for life insurance and an emergency burial. GoFundMe, I'm sorry to tell you, it's not a life insurance policy, and they take so much money out of what you get. You don't even get that full amount. A life insurance policy you own, you pay for each month, you get to keep all of that money. You get to have a proper burial for that loved one. You get to invest that money so that you're not spending it all, because also having a live agent and not a 1-800 number, not a file number when you call and be on hold forever and ever. We've all been there. We've all had to call somewhere and be on hold forever and ever and ever and ever. Well, with me, you can send me a text, you can call me, you can send me an email. I'll get it and I'll say, hey, I'll take care of that for you, no problem. And I will let you know when it's taken care of, when it's finalized, when it's been issued, when that problem you have, you know, it's let's say you have a child, you want to have that child added to your policy. You get to have me as an agent to do that for you. I just had a client the other day. I called to wish her a happy birthday, and she said, oh, by the way, I had my son, I would like to have him added. What do I need to do? I said, congratulations. Give me his name, height, weight, date of birth. I'll take care of that for you. She does not have to call an 800